We are excited to have our third Indiana district event here at Penn. 40 of the best teams in Indiana and the surrounding area will be competing for 2 days. We have a theme this year around space. And so the game this year is to pick up pieces on the playing field and deliver them to scoring zones. And you're working with 2 other robots. So the game is actually 3 robots against 3 robots. And you have 2 minutes and 15 seconds to score as many points as possible. There's a lifting element at the end of the game, which is meant to challenge teams to lift their robots up off the ground, which will be quite exciting. At the Robotics District event, we'll be having a next-gen activity where elementary and middle school students are invited to come and experience hands-on STEM. We'll have many groups, both here at Penn and community-wide, that will be bringing their technologies and their projects in to give students a first-hand look at STEM in action. So just come on out to the Penn District event, March 9th and 10th, to see some of the best robot action in Indiana.